Welcome everyone. Today we'll see how you can run Figma in your browser or download the app in your desktop. So the first thing is you open your browser and search for Figma. Now once you search for Figma, you can see a link called as Figma downloads. You just click on it. Then the next thing that you will get directed to is the Figma downloads homepage. On this page you can see there are different options to download. Let's say if you have a desktop app for Mac OS, if you want for Windows, it's available here. If you want the app for your phone, even you can do that. For iPhone you can do iOS. For Android you can download the Android version, and also there are different font installers also. So as of now we don't need that. For Figma you'll only need to click on either for the Mac OS system or either for the Windows. So once, let's say I have a Windows PC, I'll just click on this and the Figma setup will now get downloaded. Once the Figma setup is downloaded, you set up it in your environment and then you can start using Figma. This is how you can download the app. But let's say if you want the Figma to use in your browser, what you can do is you can just search for Figma again, then you will get the link again, but now this time click on the first one, that is Figma collaborative interface. Then it will show you the main homepage of the site. You just click on get started or get started for free, one and the same thing. Let's say I click on get started. Now you just fill in your information like email and password. If you don't have an account, just create an account. Now whenever you will click on create account, you will get so like basically you enter your email password here so that you can create your account. Once your account is created, you will be redirected to the Figma's software's homepage. So this is how you can download and run Figma in your browser and desktop. Thank you.